So the first thing at Jaws, what we would do, we would let you on, and then once you're coming in, that's when I start my spiel. Welcome aboard, everybody. Please watch your steps, take your seats. We'll get ready to go. Okay, a few safety reminders. Please remain seated with your hands and arms inside the boat at all times. No standing, no smoking, no photography or videotaping. Watch your cameras, they will get wet. That one's fine though. You guys are all fully protected against shark attacks by this, stuck in here, 40mm grenade launchers. And the fact that no one's seen a great white in stuff for 25 years. You guys ready?
We're ready, yes.
There you go.
Woo!
Amity 6 to base, come in base. This is base, you're clear for departure, Amity 6. Have a good trip. 10-4, time to start our voyage. Wave goodbye to those happy land lovers, and we're off. Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome aboard Captain Jake's Amity Boat Tours. The best! Yeah, and also the only. Scenic cruise on the island. My name is Voltaire, and I'll be your skipper today as we visit the actual spots where, back in 1974, that battle shark Jaws devoured those poor, innocent islanders. Now the first item of interest over your port side is the home of our very own Chief of Police, Martin Brody. Now, Brody really did blow up that shark and became a legend in his own time. Roy Scheider played him in that movie they made of our little shark episode. How many of you saw the film Jaws? Mayday! Mayday! There's something out there! Amity 6 to base. Did you copy that transmission? It sounded like Gordon on Amity 3, over. 10-4. We're picking up the distress signal now. He should be heading back in. He shouldn't be too far away. I'll call Chief Brody. Base clear. 10-4. Alright, folks. Everything should be... I can't believe this! What happened? Amity 6 to base. Amity 3 is sticking up in the lighthouse, and I don't see any survivors. I don't know, could have done this except a shark? Amity 6, repeat that. Shark! It's the biggest 20 ever. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's going under the boat. Base, what should we do? Stay calm. Try the grenade launcher, over. Wait, do you mean these things are loaded? Alright, I'm gonna try to aim this thing. Shoot! Miss again! Come on, let's get out of here! This is Amity 6. Tell Chief Brody we're gonna wait inside the boathouse until he gets here. Okay? Let's see, where can we tie up? It's really dark in this scene, by the way. I don't know if you remember the ride. Really dark. Hello? Anybody here? Did you hear something? That's him! We gotta go! Oh no. He won't drop any gear. Oh, come on, man. This isn't funny. Come on! I got it. Hang on. We're out of here. Check over there. And then come back this way. Look out! This is Chief Brody. I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes. 10 minutes? We'll be shark bait in 10 minutes. Where is he? I don't see him. Whoa! So at this point in the show, I blew up the gas talk, all right? Oh no, this is bad. Oh, this is very bad. We gotta go for it. I'm gonna fast forward this part a little bit. Yes! We made it.
Yeah.
Okay, hang in everybody, we should be okay. We're gonna try to get off on that old fishing dock. We'll unload one row at a time and, watch a high voltage barge. Remain seated. Oh no. Look! Da-dunch, 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 da-dunch. Eat this! Boy, that thing is disgusting. Whoa, we really roasted him. Whoa! Oh man, what a day. Amity 6, what was that? Where the heck are you? This is Chief Brody. Are you alright? Base, Chief, this is Amity 6. Call off the Marines. We're coming home. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, I really want to thank you for your incredible bravery today. But hey, you know, we probably shouldn't tell anybody what happened out there. I mean, if word of this little fish episode leaked out, that would be it for Captain Jake and all the other businesses around here. So keep it to yourselves, all right? After all, we did get it, didn't we? My name is Voltaire on behalf of Captain Jake and Universal Studios. Thank you from the Conquer the Menace of Jaws.
Awesome. Oh my God. That was incredible.
Thank you. And then at this point, I'll let you off the boat.
Okay, there we go.